Welcome to the Geek Savvy YouTube channel.
First, open your browser and enter the provided URL. Tap on the first link, then hit Sign In and choose Sign Up to create an account. Fill in your details, verify your email with the OTP, and you're in. Keep in mind, free accounts come with limited access. There are many AI tools available, but in this video, I'll explore the Talking Avatar tool. Tap on it, then write your script for the audio. Now, select a voice. I'll leave it default for now. Then, click Generate Audio.
Welcome to the Geek Savvy YouTube channel.
You can also add hand movements to make it more realistic. Next, tap on this icon to change the background if needed. Finally, click Generate, select a resolution, and wait for the video to process. Want to create a custom avatar with your own voice? That's coming up in the next video. So, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated.
Welcome to the Geek Savvy YouTube channel.